Hi boys and girls, it's Mr. Aczel again, and today we're going to learn how to make our very own tens and ones mat, just like the ones we use at school when you work in a small group with Mr. Aczel. So, let's get our materials ready. First we need some paper. You will need 2 pieces of paper, any size will do. So here is 2 pieces of paper, 1 piece, 2 pieces of paper. You will need some tape, any kind of tape will work. Here's some tape. And finally, you will need something to write with. And here is a crayon that we can use to write with. So we have all the things we need. We will need 2 pieces of paper, we'll need a crayon, and we need some tape. So you can pause the video now and go get what you need. And when you're ready, you can start the video again. And I will be right here. Okay, glad you're back with your materials. You have your 2 pieces of paper, you have your crayon to write with, and you have your tape. So let's get started. First, we're going to take our 2 pieces of paper and we're going to put them side by side. One here and one here. Oh, there goes the wind. I think I'm going to put the bent part at the bottom so my top is nice and straight. All right, look, I made my 2 pieces of paper right next to each other so they're the same length. And now I'm going to tear off some tape and tape them together. Here is my first piece of tape, right there. And here is my second piece of tape, right there. And I think I'll use a third piece of tape, just to make sure. Right there. Okay, now I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to put some tape on the back too, just because we'll be using this a lot, and I want to make sure it stays together. All right, just 1 piece of tape there. Now I'm going to fold it. All right, and now I can write my name on it. You can write your name on it too. I'm going to write Mr. Aczel. Okay, now I'm going to open it up, and I remembered we put our 10s on this side, and we put our 1s on this side. So here's a 10, and here's a 1. And I'm going to write down 10s and 1s to help me remember which side is which. So on this side, I'm going to write the word 10s. And on this side, I'm going to write the word 1s. Okay, I'm glad we did that. Now I have my 10s and I have my 1s. So right now, your math mat will look like this when you're finished. So what I want you to do is pause the video, tape your paper together, and write down your name on the front like I did, and then 10s on this side and 1s on this side. So go ahead and do that. Pause the video. You can always go back to check and follow the instructions, and I'll be right here when you're finished. All right, glad you're back, boys and girls. So now we have our 10s and 1s math that we can use to help us solve problems. And I think I'm going to do one more thing. I think I'm going to make a 10 frame that I can put on the one side. So here's my 10 frame. I just put a piece of paper like that, and I'm going to mark it like this. So now my 10 frame has 10 spaces for 10 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so now we've made our 10s and 1s mat with a 10 frame, and we're going to be ready to use it to solve problems. Thanks a lot, and keep on going throughout the lesson. Remember, if you need help building your 10 frame, you can ask your parents, and you can always pause the video and rewind it to watch again and again until you know how to make your 10s and 1s mat and how to make the 10 frame.